students. I hopefully you are all fine with good health. Today we are going to start our second lecture of science and our topic is facts about plants and factors affecting plant. The first factor we are going to discuss is air. So air is needed for plants to grow करने के लिए plants को air की ज़रूरत होती है and if they do not have air they will die. उनकी death हो जाएगी अगर air वो नहीं लेंगे तो. So next factor is sunlight. Plants need sunlight to grow because plants take carbon dioxide from sunlight, and if they do not have sunlight, plants will not grow in the dark. You can see it in your homes. आप एक प्लांट को लें और उसको घर के अंदर किसी पोर्शन में रख दें और फिर बाद में अगर आप देखेंगे तो उस पर प्रॉपर ग्रोथ नहीं होगी और इसके अगेंस्ट आप एक प्लांट रखें जिसको आप सनलाइट में रखें एंड यू विल सी दैट द प्लांट यू केप्ट इन द सनलाइट विल ग्रो एंड द प्लांट यू कीप इनसाइड विदाउट सनलाइट विल नॉट ग्रो. The third factor we are going to discuss is water. So if there is no water, there will be no plants. Plants, water is one of the basic component or one of the basic factor for plant because it needs water to make its food. It makes food with its combination with sunlight and water. It also keeps it healthy and fresh. And the fourth important factor we are going to discuss is space to grow. Plants need a proper space to grow. For example, if we take an example of roots, if there is a little space, roots will not spread. And if roots will not spread, it will not absorb enough water. Water and nutrients as well. For example, if you see, this is a plant. If this is a plant and its roots are here, only this is the space where roots can grow. Outside this space, it cannot go outside. So if there is more space, and the roots will absorb maximum water and maximum nutrients. So there must be a proper space for roots to absorb water and nutrients from soil. The fifth factor affecting plants is nutrients. How nutrients are formed? When animals manure. Animals का जो गोबर होता है, it turns into nutrients. ये टर्न मतलब ये चेंज हो जाता है एनिमल्स मैन्योर changed into nutrients. Manures when turned into nutrients and it makes plant big and strong. because when plants take proper nutrients, they will become big and strong. So let's take an overview of today's lecture. So we discussed facts about plants, and you can say that the factors affecting plants, जो plants की growth को affect कर रहे हैं. सबसे पहले हमने discuss किया air. Air is needed for plant growth, and if there is no air, plants will die. And secondly, we discuss sunlight. Sunlight is needed to grow, and if there is no sunlight, plants will not grow. So third factor is water. If there is no water and no plants will grow. So it makes food for the plant. It also keeps it healthy and fresh. So the fourth factor we discuss is space to grow. If there is not enough space, the roots will not absorb maximum water and nutrients. And the fifth factor we discuss is nutrients. Animals' manure changes into nutrients that make it big and strong. So your homework is to write the question, and so this is your home assignment. I have write the question above here, and your homework is reading page number 1 and write the answer of the above question on your notebooks. So that's all. Allah Hafiz.